Welcome to Fun with Josiah. Today, we will be unboxing this Pokemon trading card game Lunchbox filled with 3 foil cards that we don't know of, 5 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and much more. Everyone out there ready? Let's see what is in there. Go ahead and unbox it, man. What do you think's in there?
Probably like good booster packs.
Well, it said that, duh.
I see them.
Hurry up and open it. Oh my god. Gee, you can't even open it. What's wrong with you? Oh my god. You just say your hands are soggy? You can't even touch Pokemon cards with soggy hands.
You can.
Here, grab right here. Use your soggy hands. Oh, you made the box soggy. Oh my god. Come on. There, here, put your fingers, your soggy fingers in there.
Yeah.
Hey, someone drew a nice Charizard.
Charizard.
Who drew that one?
I don't know.
You don't know? Who drew? What is this?
No, Moltres.
What is that?
It's a Moltres. It literally tells you.
Oh my goodness. Ooh, what's that upside down Pokemon?
Lycan rocks.
Ooh. Are we gonna open the box? Are we gonna make sounds when we open it?
Yeah.
Alright. Tell me when. Tell me when to make the sounds. Are you ready? Do it. Oh, but you're not opening the box. Oh. We got, what is this? Oh, what are these things?
We got,
What are they? That's a hologram too.
Yeah, they're all.
Ooh, zooming in. Zooming in.
And then look at this coin.
Ooh, look at that coin. Don't touch it with your soggy fingers. Look at this one. What is this? Ooh, the Lycanroc hologram. Ooh, and over here is Necrozma.
Necrozma.
Ooh, yeah, put those off to the side. Put those off to the side.
These are over
Alrighty.
here. Let's look at our
Booster packs!
Look, so Sagaleo and Necrozma.
Cool.
So,
be careful with them, man. Make sure. Ooh, some other packs. The Ultra Prism.
It evolved.
And a what? XY Evolutions. Let's get these out of here. Let's show everyone else what's in the box first, man. Yeah. A roaring. Did you say a roaring cheese? Everyone, he said roaring cheese when it clearly says skies. Roaring cheese pack right here. All right, let's see what else is in here. Roaring cheese. Ooh, some pencils because we all know that Pokemon cards are cool. Yeah. But straight A's are cooler.
Yep.
And what is this?
Oh, it's a poster.
Ooh, these are stickers.
Oh, yeah.
Stickers. Oh, just took out a Pokeball.
More stickers.
What is this?
A notepad.
Oh, broke it. Here we go. What is this?
And a binder.
A cool little card binder. You need that because you have like 10 gajillion Pokemon cards. Let's put this over here and then let's show everyone the notepad that Andrew's probably going to take from you. All right, what's first? Oh, dropped your pencil. And look, now he has a lunchbox that we could probably store Pokemon cards in.
Oh, yeah.
Or secrets.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
All right,
what pack are we opening first, man?
Oh, first.
You have all the packs?
Yep.
You want to open the Roaring Cheese pack one?
Well, not yet. I think the best one would be for right now is Ultra Prism.
Okay, put the other ones down and show everyone the Ultra Prism pack.
So, first we're going to do this one.
All right, let's go
The
here.
Ultra Prism.
All right. You tell me when you're ready. Be careful with the pack, man. Because you don't know what could be in there, man. Something super cool and rare could be in there.
Ah!
Use your soggy fingers. Open. Oh my goodness. Oh my gracious.
I'm sorry, guys, but I don't know how to open packs.
Oh my, and he dropped it. Oh, there he goes. Here.
Let me
Open
dry
this.
my soggy hands.
Here's this, and grab the other side, and then we teamwork makes the dream work. You're not believing.
I believe I can fly.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I believe I can fly.
Okay, we need Mom. Mom, put your hand in the video. There's Mom's. Look at her pretty hands. Ooh, makeup. Oh my, we all have soggy fingers. Oh, winner, give it to, all right, back center. Here we go. Sorry, everyone.
Yeah, we don't
Tuning
know.
in. Josiah has soggy fingers.
So,
All right, here we go, everyone. You gotta lift them up.
here's the code card.
Okay, code card. Lift the whole boxing up.
three,
There it is. 4, and move it to the front. Let's take a look.
Energy.
All right, we got energy,
Magneton.
Magneton.
My Lily. What?
That is Lily, not Lie Lily. Look at this. Lie Lily. Oh my gracious.
Manphy.
Manaphy, pretty cool. Go ahead, next one. Pachirisu! It's the new. If you guys play Pokemon Go on your cell phones, this is the new one of the new regional Pokemon.
This one
That's
is
cool.
too.
That's not a regional Pokemon.
That's a new.
That's a new one. Gen
That's a
4
new,
released
yeah.
in Pokemon Go. Pretty cool.
Young Goose.
Young Goose, like Young Thug. He's
Alright.
Goose though. What's next? You cheated, I saw you. What's next? Cherubi!
Cherubi.
What's the next one?
Piplup.
Oh, it's you. Look, it's Josiah. Next.
Shinx!
Woo! Look, even Shinx is excited. Woo! And what's last?
Fan form.
Fan Rotom.
Oh.
Not fan form, you goof. Hey, that's pretty cool though. Go back. Go back to the Shinx.
Shinx.
Look at Shinx's mouth. All right, what's next? What's the next pack that you think is going to be good?
So, let's put these off to the side.
All right, onto my thumb.
And now,
Use your soggy fingers.
I'm not using my.
Are you wiping your hands? Oh
Yes.
my gosh, soggy fingers. Look, Mom's hand. Oh, it's too fast for me. Oh, Mom's hand. I got a kiss on my cheek. Mom hands. Where are your hands, Josiah? Soggy hands.
Yeah.
All right, pack
Alright.
number 2. Be careful with them. Oh God. Here we go.
They're stuck in here.
Oh my God. Just take them out. Throw that away.
All right. Here's a code card if you need it.
This is not. This. No one can see that. Here's the code card.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 cards. Flipping them to the front.
Energy.
Energy card.
Oh, this is a new release in Pokemon Go. If you play.
Cool.
What?
No idea. Just put it down and go to the next one. Who's that? Who
I
cares?
don't know. Oh, I
Who's
have
that?
that one.
Oh, it's like a hippo. What's next?
Oh, I don't have that one. That's
Ooh,
cool.
one you don't have. Ooh, pass me in.
Rewind
Are
moment.
we rewinding?
New, 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 new. New.
One that's regular, one that is not. Oh, Carnivine! Next.
Oh, Murkrow.
Ooh, Murkrow.
Oh.
Just evolved one in Pokemon Go yesterday.
Yep. And look, I have one of
Oh, Luxio hologram!
these. I have one of these,
now we
but
have
not
Shinx
the hologram.
and Luxio. And what's last?
Do you?
What's the last card? All right, what's the next pack? You just hit my phone with that. Can't take the
Alright,
camera out with your
next-
big, ginormous cranium.
Which one do you think? I think
I don't know.
we should go with Royal Skis.
Royal cheese. Here we go.
Royal Cheese. I already opened the pack.
I wish y'all could see what's happening right now. My nose just got wiped and picked for me like I was a doctor. Oh my, you just showed everyone the front card, you boob.
They always do that.
Who's they?
Whoever I watch on YouTube.
Who do they watch? Ooh, code card. You want to say hi to those people that you watch on YouTube?
If you're watching, hi.
That's 4 cards. Oh!
I did 4. And
Oh, Gallade!
this one has to be 5.
Man, an EX Gallade. Oh, regular Ninja Master. That's disgusting.
Rewind. Mega Wolf.
Nice.
Mega evolution moment. Pikachu. Fletchling. Execute. Bagon.
Ooh, the bag is
Swablu.
pretty cool. Ooh. Holographic Togetic.
And then let's put these away.
Oh, yeah, we're going to want to save that one. That one's
Yeah.
a cool one right there.
Let's see. I think we should open Sun and Moon next.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
Let's open Sun and Moon.
Right there. Look at this. Yeah. Happy holidays to everyone watching. What pack is next?
Sun and Moon.
The Sun and Moon pack. Hopefully something cool like Gallade is in there. Code card for everyone. Next.
1, 2, 3,
4. The flip.
Energy.
Boo.
Rare can.
Boo.
What?
Something. Put it down. Alolan Persian.
Rewind moment, because I already have the
It's poop. Next.
Skarmory.
Skarmory. Morlul. That's more poop. Chinchou. Cutie Fly.
Yeah.
Ooh, a Dratini. That's pretty cool.
What is this?
That's a holographic Toxapex. No one knows what that is.
Oh, this is Sagaleo. When this evolves, it goes to Sagaleo.
That's so cool.
So it's a rewind.
Next pack, I think it's the last one.
Yep.
It is an
Last
XY Evolutions pack. We've opened some of these packs before, and they are pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, soggy fingers.
Soggy fingers.
Mm-hmm.
What's this?
Let's take a tour of the table. JRD and the Eevee hat. Pokeballs and pencils. Holographic cards he has. Code card and back to him. He's weird looking and he has big ears.
Arcanine. Oh,
Blastoise, Spirit Link, Haunter. Gross. Gross. Oh, pretty cool. Charmander. Gross.
Diglett, Drowsy, Caterpie.
Oh, holographic Trainer card.
Switch.
Is there any more cards in there?
No.
And that is it. So overall,
wait, nope, that's not it. We got some Pokemon cards
from who?
from my friend Christian Isaiah.
Oh, shout out to Christian Isaiah. Woo!
Thank you. So, I already did the card trick. All right. Versus Skier.
Poop.
Super Rod.
Poop.
Professor Sycamore.
Poop.
Skya.
Poop.
And
Poop.
Manphy. Rewind moment.
Oh, we got a Manaphy earlier.
Oh, yeah. Let me find it.
Oh, you're taking forever. Oh my god, next card, next card.
I don't know what.
Oh, you just headbutted the camera again. Alright, you got 10 seconds.
Rare candy.
8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, and
Blastoise!
All right, 10 seconds to say goodbye to everybody that's watching.
Goodbye!
Goodbye!
Rewind. I
Hey,
know
make sure to share this video with your friends so they can see all the cool Pokemon cards on Fun with the Child. We'll see you next time. Whee! Soggy finger!